Our reconditioned golf cars are built from the ground up, and now they're $1,000 off. This isn't just your average used golf cart. Most dealers are stuck buying whatever they can find, sometimes with rusted frames, cheap aftermarket wiring harnesses, or worse, but not us. The majority of our golf cars come from right here in the Villages, and then our production team breaks down each golf car to the rolling chassis before rebuilding it better than new. That means a brand new paint job. You have over 400 colors to choose from. A new tinted windshield, new rain enclosure, alloy wheels with radial tires, new mirrors with LEDs built in, color speedometer, gas gauge, upholstered seat skins, pinstripe, and a sequential blinking LED on top of the roof. This is the highest standard in the country, and nobody else does it like we do. Plus, you get peace of mind with a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, 1 year of roadside assistance, 3 years of powertrain warranty, and free service loaners whenever your golf car is in our service garage. Want to go custom? We'll build your dream ride in just 4 to 6 weeks and give you a completely free golf car to use during that time. If you want to see the difference, come visit the Villages Golf Cars.